In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect credit card accounts from QuickBooks Online. This can be a crucial step if you need to clean up your bookkeeping, switch account connections, or just want to remove an old account that's no longer needed. Let's get started and walk through this process together, ensuring you know exactly what to do. First, we need to navigate to the correct area within QuickBooks Online. Begin by casting your eyes over to the left panel of your QuickBooks screen. Here, you'll want to locate and click on the section labeled Transactions. This area acts as the central hub for all your financial activity within QuickBooks, making it the perfect starting point for our task today. Next, we're going to zero in on the Bank Transactions tab. This is where you'll find cards representing each of your connected financial accounts, including the credit card accounts we're focusing on today. When you see these cards lined up, you know you're in the right place. At this point, look for the specific card that corresponds to the credit card account you want to disconnect. Once you've found it, you'll notice a pencil icon appearing in the top right corner of that card. In QuickBooks, this icon typically indicates that you're about to make edits or adjustments to your account settings. Go ahead and click on that pen icon now. A menu should appear before you, and from this menu, you'll need to select Edit Account Info. By doing so, you're telling QuickBooks that you wish to make changes to the way this credit card account is set up within the software. We're getting close to the finish line now. In the settings window that appears, keep an eye out for the option that reads, Disconnect this account on Save. This is precisely what you're looking for, as selecting this option will ensure your credit card account is no longer connected to QuickBooks Online. Check the box next to this option. Once you've done that, take a moment to double-check everything. You want to make sure this is the correct account you're disconnecting, and the settings are just how you want them. When you're ready, all that's left is to click on Sapyo. After following these steps, your credit card account will successfully be disconnected from QuickBooks Online. Congratulations! You've now tidied up your financial connections within the software, leaving your accounting system streamlined and efficient. Thank you for sticking with me through this guide. I hope you found it helpful and now feel confident about managing your QuickBooks Online accounts. Be sure to subscribe for more tutorials and tips. See you in the next